So today I have two items to review. One will be the TKO ratcheting kit, is from 511, bidirectional, 1/4 magnetic hex bit. You can pause there and just read everything from there. Okay, quick what you get here: ratchet kit, which is the ratcheting item with a bottle opener and the pry tool, and you get 5 bits. This consists of total 10 pieces: 7/64, 3/32, TX20, I think that's hex, TX15, TX10, and Phillips number 2. All comes in this one thing, and there's a extender which we can use this in Leatherman and any other tools. This is just like other bit extenders. And we have a punch for the handgun. So that's one thing, and the other thing is 511 light right pitch. So these are the two things. I'll do the quick review of them and show you how to do. This is my utility knife, which I like so much, easy to use. Okay, start with this one first. Go. So this is a Velcro pouch. You can see the Velcro here. So on this side we have the elastic material to put anything like flashlight, or what they meant is for pen and maybe a knife, but you can put whatever you want. And there's a little pouch here. So let's say you want to put my knife, I can just put it there, the pouch, which is not bad, fits there snug. I have a Leatherman here, P4. Let's see if that can go in. So it goes pretty well inside. And here you can put either, I have i5T all-light flashlight. I might put this one in. Looks good. Or you might put whatever you want. Maybe you don't want to put this one. Let's say you want to put a smaller light, you can put smaller light, and it's pretty snug. Maybe for pocket organizer, you can use it as a pocket organizer. This is all light too, the small one. Or bigger light, you can take this is S1 baton 2, or you can have maybe S2 baton 2, I guess. Yeah, but it does go there, which stays secure as a pocket organizer. I think it does a good job. What else? Maybe you want to put a pen. So let's say you want to put this one. So this one doesn't stay well here. Maybe I can try put it here. Yeah, it might stay here as a pocket organizer. Yeah, stays really good there. And maybe let me open my bunch of Leathermans. I put everything here. It's easy for me. Let's say this one. So that's my Wave Plus. Okay, let's see. So you can put that one with your Wave. Goes in snug. There's no scratching each other. They stay pretty snug. And still you have a pocket here. So you might just put, let me see. I don't think this can go in. This is my small book. This is bigger. But you can just put in your back pocket or something like that. But your pen can go in there. By the way, this is Fisher's space pen. bullet. Yeah, goes in pretty well, and nothing is going anywhere. Like this is pretty tough. So it's intact there. So as a pocket organizer, this is awesome. Okay, apart from that, let's get to the other one. So let's see what is in here. Get my utility knife quick. By the way, this utility knife I bought from China. It's a decent one. I can't complain. Got very cheap, like few bucks. Yeah, at first I didn't know how to open and close, but now I know. It is a locking system. It's pretty good once you know how to use it. You can control it with one hand too. I find it a little bit tough to open it, but by practice you can with one hand. See, and then second. Okay, so let's cut this one and see what we get here. Okay. And two more things. This is like another work. I need another tool to open this tool. There goes your punch tool and the bit extender. And lastly, okay, let me put, okay, let's see what we got here. So this is, of course, I think this is to put your bits and everything in one place. I think this goes here like this, and then your bits goes here maybe. Yep, they fit there snug. And they are color coded, you can see them. All the hex have green color, so these three are hex which all are green, our Phillips size 2, and the cut is not that bad. The shape, I don't know if you can see here, let me try to zoom in. Yeah, you can see there. I think it has a deep teeth, so it can grab into stuff, but I won't know until I use it. So I'll do another review maybe while using it. So I can put them back, so I can put here. So they give us only how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have 6 bits here. So maybe they mean one to stay in here. Wow, I like the magnetic. So it just pushes it in. See, it's a pretty good magnet inside there. So I'm doing nothing. It's just pulling it in. You can see here, maybe I show you like this. So it goes one there in. The magnet is pretty awesome. Maybe I put this in so I can try. Okay. Oh. Do we have neutral? Oh, so this is neutral, which doesn't lock, goes both ways in the middle. So if you put right, yeah, that's opening and then closing. That's pretty awesome. This will help you. You just hold here and keep ratcheting. That's nice. It is pretty slim, so we can even use our pouch again to put this tool instead of putting some other tool. Perfect. Goes in there perfectly. And the bit extender can go back here. Perfect. Take out the bit. There she goes in, and you can even put all the bits inside here. Let's see if everything can go in there. Yeah, they go pretty well. This out. Okay, close it. Throw this one. Let's see, this goes in. Take this out first. This one, normally they go back to back. There it goes. Pretty deep. Yep. You can see, and my pen goes here. And then my Leatherman goes here. And one more thing. What should I put? I can put a flashlight here, maybe. And what else? Wrong side. Yeah. Maybe one more thing. Ta-da! Okay, let's see. There goes. I can see if this goes someplace here. Yep. That goes there too. So everything fit nice and snug inside this little pouch. So there you go, guys. We have this one, which has its own pouch. Okay, coming back to this one, it has its own pouch here, and which takes, there's a place to put the extender here. That's where it goes. It should be here, if I'm not mistaken. And what is this for? Yeah, so this is for that. That is for that. This can even move. Surprisingly, this can even take my pen. Let's see. Can this take my pen? Where is the place here to put my pen? There. Pen is in. The bits are in. Let's put the bits back. and we'll find the place for the extra one. Where's the, it's supposed to be one extra, right? Let's see, here's the extra one. It's deep inside here, wasn't coming out. So what we can do is we can take Phillips out and we can put Phillips right over here. There's a pocket here, so you can put Phillips here. There goes. And this has a belt loop. You can see here, that's a belt loop. And a punch also, you can put it here. So we have everything in one place. There's no way anything is going anywhere. So you put it in your pocket. This is how it will look. So let's say this is your pocket. So this goes in your pocket. Yeah, that's deep enough. So this is just trying to keep it here. I like it. I think this is a nice design, nice feature. I don't know if I'll use it, but yeah, I can use this one, and maybe I don't know, I might use it sometimes. Something good to have. I like this opener and pry tool. I don't know what material is this one, if that's hard enough, you know, to take a beating. So it can. So we'll see about that. So that will be all for today. See you next time. Make sure you subscribe and comment below. Tell me whatever you think, and I'll be glad if I can answer. If it is a question, I can answer it. If it's a comment, just your own views, you're welcome to put your views. Till next time, take care and bye bye.